Hello and welcome to Curiosity Chronicles, where we explore the fascinating world of nature and science. Today, we're going to take a peek inside a beehive and learn about the life of a honeybee. Honeybees are amazing insects that live in colonies of thousands of individuals. Each colony has a queen bee, who lays eggs and produces pheromones that keep the colony together. The queen is the only female who can reproduce, and she can live up to 5 years. The majority of the colony are worker bees, who are all female and do most of the tasks in the hive. They collect nectar and pollen from flowers, make honey and wax, feed the larvae, clean the cells, guard the entrance, and regulate the temperature and humidity of the hive. Worker bees can live up to 6 weeks in the summer, but longer in the winter. The third type of bee in the colony are the drones, who are all male and have only one purpose: to mate with a new queen. Drones do not have stingers or collect food, and they are kicked out of the hive when they are not needed. Drones can live up to 4 months. Honeybees communicate with each other using sounds, smells, and dances. They can tell each other where to find food sources, how far they are, and how good they are. They also use their antennae to touch and sense each other's emotions. Honeybees are vital for pollinating many crops and plants that we depend on for food and medicine. They also produce honey, which is a delicious and nutritious sweetener that can last for years without spoiling. Honeybees are truly remarkable creatures that deserve our respect and protection. Thank you for watching this episode of Curiosity Chronicles. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions for future topics. See you next time.